Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, unroll the list of all apps and enter settings. Then find and select security and privacy and go to lock screen. Click on fingerprints, then draw an unlock pattern, tap on continue and select register. As you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.